So I've been working on this 1984 5.7 Chevrolet Corvette that I had got from my uncle. I did the work, got the security alarm and everything taken out, and got it to where it can at least try to crank. But I was working with a seized motor. As you can see, I got the special tool and put on the front of the harmonic balancer. Got me a bar. A few days before, I've put some automatic ATF transmission fluid down the crossfire fuel injection, and been working on it just about every day, trying to get it to turn a little bit here, a little bit there. Yesterday I got it to move about an inch, and today I put the bar on it with my trusty pipe, and now we got this. I hear compression. There it goes. She's rotating, fellas. Ladies and gentlemen, she is rotating. So I just about say she's alive. Sound like I had a little bit of compression. I got only one spark plug in. See down here? That's all diesel and automatic transmission fluid. I've been researching online. Me and these boys here. There's Landon. There's Romeo running over there. And here's DeAndre, the man that's been with me every day, working on this C4 Corvette. I guess we'll try to get my other truck going and put the jumper cables. Grab the jumper cables out the back of the truck, son. Hey, Romeo, go in the house, run in the house real quick and go and grab the keys to both of these cars.
Where?
They're in the living room. So I am pretty excited. Put a little pressure on there. I didn't hear anything pop, didn't hear anything snap. So that's a good thing, super good. I want to say I put a little bit of Marvel Mystery Oil. I did put that in there at first. But just, you know, that automatic transmission fluid and the diesel seemed to have done the trick. Just letting it sit. It had to put a little bit of pressure on there, got all the spark plugs out. When I put that little pressure on there, it popped loose, and now it's turning. And I guess that one spark plug that I got in there, it's got a little bit of compression on it. So,
can I try to start it?
Yeah, here you go.
Come in with me, Romeo.
I know my battery's a little bit low. It needs to be charged. Landon, come and jump in this truck and crank it over. Crank it up. That's the good thing about having my kiddos. They're a lot of help. It's fun to do something like this together. Crank it up, Landon. Landon, turn it all the way on. Turn it all the way over. There you go. So now let's see what she does. DeAndre, turn it on. Wait, hold on.